Hey, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services here in Janesville. We're doing an estimate for a gutter flush out. We got some problems with these gutters here not flowing properly. This is the bullnose style helmets. And so we got a garden here growing right where the next to the downspout is. So what we'll probably have to end up doing is power flushing down into these gutters from the roof and maybe disassembling one of these guards, flushing the downspout all the way down, and getting all that cleaned out, reassembling it as needed. These white gutter guards on the front of your garage and back, I would suggest that it's a good idea for us to remove them and replace them. I do have a black gutter guard. It's called Raindrop Gutter Guard System. In your door, I put a flyer in there. You can read about it. So I'm going to give you a quote for us to flush out your current gutter system that's in the 2-story. We're going to leave that alone, not remove it or anything, just clean it out. And then remove this, clean it out, and install the new guards on your garage. And then also, flip this camera around. Notice that your soffits, your siding is looking pretty dirty and dingy. And your home could benefit from a wash. So we do a process called soft washing. On the right side here, you got a lot of green algae, mold, mildew, dirt, spider webs, bug guts here. So we can get all that washed up. It won't look as black and dark as it does. Our process is safe and effective because it's called gentle detergent soft washing. We do it all from the ground. Our cleaner does all the work for us. We can give you a 2-year green algae guarantee that none of it will come back after we wash for 2 years. So you don't have to worry about anybody causing lap lines and the oxidation of your siding, because we're not using high pressure to wash your siding. It's not a power wash, it's a soft wash, and you'll be super happy with it. It restores your home back to the way it should be. And we'll take care of all of that while we're here doing your gutter maintenance. So look forward to working with you. Take care. If you have any questions, feel free to call or text us on our cell, 815-520-6020. My name is Eddie, owner, operator, and hope you have a great weekend. Thank you.